This isn't a first impression. We've been living with this ZLINE gas range, and these are the things I've noticed after everyday use. This range instantly became the centerpiece of our kitchen. It has that professional commercial style look that I was looking for. It really elevated the entire space. The brass accents were one of the biggest reasons we chose this model. So this color is called champagne. We cook on it almost every day, and the burners heat up really quickly. I like having different burner sizes for different cookware. Plenty of cooking space without feeling oversized. It feels very solid and well built. The flame is very responsive. You don't hear a whole lot of that clicking before it wants to ignite, and I really appreciate that. It's easy to go from high boil to a gentle simmer. The cast iron grates feel sturdy as well. I like being able to slide heavier pots across the continuous grates instead of lifting them. So let's talk about the cleaning. The cooktop is easier to clean than I expected. I usually wipe it down after cooking. I just remove the grates out the way and I wipe it down. The stainless steel has held up nicely, and the porcelain cooktop underneath the grates also makes cleanup easier. We've had this now for about 3 months, and it still looks very, very beautiful. No regrets. It still feels like a luxury appliance every time I use it. I absolutely choose it again. We love it so much that we have the matching microwave as well. This is their drawer microwave, and it too has the champagne handles. I couldn't be happier with both of these appliances. Thank you, ZLINE.